How are we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back to another fun episode of Tom's Cocktails. We are making Halloween cocktails. Halloween is just around the corner, and I've got 3 cocktails. One you've already seen, that was out last week. I'll leave a link up here somewhere where you can go and check that one out. It was a shot, the blended brains. We've got the second Halloween cocktail coming out on this video, which is the cherry bomb. It's delicious. Absolutely delicious. And then the third Halloween cocktail, which is coming out a little bit later as well. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell for notifications so you can be notified when that last one comes out. The last one is my favorite. So good, so good. Okie dokie, here we go for our Halloween cocktail, the cherry bomb. We're gonna make it in a pumpkin. So first we need to chop up our pumpkin, slice off the top, then carve around the inside and just get rid of all the gunk from inside. So you got a nice hollowed out pumpkin, very, very Halloween-y. And then, yeah, this can take a little bit of time, but just scrape around the inside. You can scrape the edges to make the cup a bit bigger if you want to. Take your time with it, and there you go. Look, nice little pumpkin cup. And then to make this face on the outside, I just kind of use the sharp knife to shave the fronts off. And look, little cup. There we go. So let's make this Halloween cocktail, the cherry bomb. It's a shake and strain drink. So we're going to kick off with a large or a nice measure of Kirschwasser, which is basically cherry water. It's absolutely delicious. That's 40 mils or an ounce and a half. Then we're going to do 20 mils of blackcurrant liqueur. This is the Moses variety. Some lime juice. And to balance it out with some orgeat or almond syrup. I'll put all the recipe in the description box below so you can find it all down there without a problem. But we need to shake this up, so give it a nice shake. Yeah, a bit of smoke. Woo. Then we're going to strain this into our pumpkin. Now you can shake and then just pour all the ingredients in, but I had too much ice in my shaker, so I just took some out and then plopped that in the pumpkin. Nice and Halloween-y, fantastic. Then topping up with some apple cider to give it an apple kick and a bit of fizz, and that gives it that really refreshing feel. Squeeze a lime in there, and bosh, that is the cherry bomb. It's Here it is. The cherry bomb, made in our little hollowed out pumpkin. If you do want to try it for yourself, of course, I've just used a small one here because I'm making a cocktail just for me. But if you're going to have a party, Halloween party, you can get a big Halloween? You can get yourself a big pumpkin, hollow that out, make a punch, and chuck that inside the pumpkin. And then people can just ladle out the punch as the party goes on. Anyway, taste the cocktail. I can hear you shouting down the screen, or you may have left already, in which case, bye. So this is the cherry bomb, of course, cherry flavored. Let's just give it a quick stir. I'm going to use a straw actually. Now you can't see this, but it's actually a beautiful color, like a pale pink color. Oh yes, it is delightfully refreshing. A nice cherry kick to it. Really easy to drink. I can see myself getting pretty drunk with these ones actually. Oh, hello mate. Hello. Who's more attractive, this one or this one? Huh? Don't answer that, or let me know in the comments. But anyway, if you like that one, let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you like the video. And if you are new around here, subscribe to the channel. Go on, I dare you, because you can learn new and original cocktails with me. Plus, I like to show you my variations of the classic cocktails to make them even more delightfully delicious. And another sip of this, but that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you do, again, don't forget to hit that like button. And until next week, see you then. Say goodbye. Goodbye.